The Kogata Smart 4K Projector KP-1000 comes pre-installed with popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, allowing for seamless streaming without the need for additional devices. This projector delivers a superior visual experience with true 4K decoding, vibrant colors, and enhanced clarity thanks to its advanced chipset and AI-powered color enhancement technology. Setting up the Kogata projector is incredibly easy with its autofocus and 6D keystone correction, ensuring a perfect image fit on any screen or wall. With the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, the projector offers smooth streaming and the ability to use it as a Bluetooth speaker, providing versatile audio options. Not just for entertainment, this projector is also suitable for business presentations and educational purposes, making it a versatile addition to any home or office. Kogata provides excellent customer support with a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance, ensuring users have a reliable experience with their projector.